Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we'll be discussing about displaying numbers in Java. So here is the outline of this video. Firstly we'll discuss about numbers in Java, then we'll do some arithmetic operations and print some values. So what are numbers in Java? Numbers in Java are just like in mathematics. An example of numbers would be 0 minus a negative number minus 19 minus 1. It can be two-digit number 13. It can be a year 1994. It can be the current year 2024. So basically numbers in Java are just like the numbers that we define in our mathematics, right? Now let's discuss about arithmetic operations in Java. The arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplications are similar to that we do in maths. An arithmetic operation of addition is denoted by an additional operator called plus sign, subtraction operator by minus sign, and a division operator by slash sign, right? Note, it is similar to mathematics. Now let's do some printing of numbers on our console output. For this we'll utilize the same println method or print method. Display numbers on console window. The first statement System.out.println will print a number of value 4, right? The second statement will print 1, 2, 3. The third statement prints 5 plus 2. So it does an arithmetic calculation with two numbers, first number being 5 and the second number being 2, and it is being added because of the plus operator. Similarly, we can do 4 minus 2, 4 into 2, 12 divided by 2. And this values will be calculated and then the result will be printed. And here is the output. 4 followed by 1, 2, 3. Then 5 plus 2, an arithmetic calculation is done internally by the Java program and the final output is printed to the console, which is 7. Then 4 minus 2 is also internally calculated and its result is printed with the value 2. Then followed by 8, 12 divided by 2 results in 6, that is internally calculated and the final result is printed to the output console, right? Thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will discuss